Hello everyone, my name is Dee and welcome to another episode of us cooking, talking, and doing anything fun under the sun, enjoying life's simple pleasures. Today I'll be sharing with you my version of the Japanese ramen eggs. Now, I would like to go outside and enjoy a delicious bowl of ramen. Unfortunately, social distancing and saving money sometimes gets in the way. So even ordering a perfect bowl of ramen, by the time it gets home, it's gross and you don't want to eat it anymore because it's not fresh. But with this recipe, I will show you how to create that perfect, beautiful ramen egg. Delicious, gooey, beautiful yolk in the inside, and the outside has that like nice consistency, like gelatinous. I don't know, it's got a texture, the egg whites, right? So this is a very quick cook, probably 15 to 30 minutes, and everything is all done with just 3 simple ingredients. Yes, folks, just 3 simple ingredients. You need your egg, your soy sauce, or any type of marinade you have at home. Yes, you can use your, I use the teriyaki marinade for this one because this is a leftover teriyaki marinade. You can use your Korean barbecue marinade, and you can use that. And also you need just a little bit of egg. So just 3 simple ingredients. Now, the other version of this is not just using a soy sauce based marinade. I tried this with the butter chicken marinade and also the curry marinade. I keep it in that jar for 2 to 3 days or 5 days even, just do the sniff test. And if it passes, then you can do it. I don't technically recommend it, but oh my god, it's way delicious and it's got way better consistency. So here it is, and I'll show you how to do it in just a few minutes. One crucial thing that you need to do is actually find the round or the flat area of the egg and actually bore a little hole using a tacks or a knife. I don't like knives because they're really scary, and just like find it, and not all the way through, but just a quick screwy version, and then there you go. There you have it. I usually add like a teaspoon or 2 in the water because the salt helps bring the water to boil faster. And just estimate the amount of water that you're gonna add because we're gonna be stirring just enough water for the eggs to be able to be submerged. Because oops. Let's do this gently. After 6 minutes, we can transfer them to our ice bath or cold water bath just to stop them from cooking. Taste test time. Here we go. All right, look at that. Beautiful egg white and egg yolk. Jiggly, jiggly. Mmm. Mmm. Beautiful texture. Wow. Delicious. You gotta try this. I love you, and I'll see you again next time. I'm playing with my food. I love playing with food. Ciao. Still here? Go away, I'm eating.